Ever wondered why younger women might be attracted to older men? What goes on in their minds when it comes to sexual attraction? Stick with me, because today we're diving deep into the psychological secrets that can help you understand female desire's insights that could change everything for you. By the way, ever notice how dating apps feel like scrolling through a never-ending menu? Let's figure out how to pick the right dish, shall we? Female attraction. The power of confidence. Confidence. You've heard it 1,000 times, but did you know it's scientifically proven that women are subconsciously wired to be attracted to self-assurance? Especially younger women who may be drawn to older men because of their perceived stability and life experience. Think about it. Confidence exudes a sense of security. It signals that you've been through life's challenges and come out stronger. That's exactly what many women, especially those who are younger, find irresistibly attractive. Now, I'm not saying you need to walk into a room like you're James Bond, though if you have a tux, it doesn't hurt to try. But there's more to attraction than just confidence. What if I told you that another key factor is something even more subtle, something you might not even realize you're already doing? Emotional intelligence. The hidden secret to attraction. Emotional intelligence is another major psychological factor that draws women in. Studies show that younger women often seek emotional maturity in older men, someone who can understand and respond to their feelings without judgment. In fact, this is a deal breaker for many. When you show that you can read between the lines and truly listen, it makes a woman feel valued, something that's rare in younger relationships. And guess what? This doesn't require grand gestures, just genuine attention. Ever been in a conversation where you just nod your head and realize later you've agreed to, well, nothing? Yeah, that's not going to work here. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's all great. But what about physical attraction? Well, hold on tight, because this next point is something that might surprise you. The role of mystery. Why it matters more than looks. Here's a psychological fact that many overlook: mystery is a powerful tool in attraction. While physical appearance is important, maintaining a bit of mystery keeps the intrigue alive and women hooked. It's that anticipation that sparks a deeper, longer-lasting connection. Without mystery, relationships can become predictable, and predictability can be a passion killer. But introduce just the right amount of mystery, and you create a magnetic pull that leaves her wanting more. Remember, we're talking mystery, not becoming Sherlock Holmes. You're not trying to solve crimes here, just keep things exciting. So how do you keep this balance? How do you stay confident, emotionally intelligent, and mysterious while still being your true self? Stick around, because we're wrapping this up with an answer you won't want to miss. In the end, attraction is more than just about looks or age. It's about confidence, emotional depth, and leaving a little something to the imagination. And now that you have these psychological insights, you're more than equipped to build the type of connection younger women are drawn to. But remember, there's more to a fulfilling relationship than attraction. If you want to know how to maintain sexual health as you age, check out my next video. Just click on the end screen now, and I'll see you there.